The 5 Whys technique is a straightforward yet highly effective method for uncovering the root cause of a problem by persistently asking why until the fundamental issue comes to light. To use this approach successfully, begin by clearly defining the problem at hand. Write down the issue in precise terms so that everyone involved has a shared understanding of what needs to be addressed. Next, ask why the problem occurred and record the answer, making sure your response is grounded in facts rather than assumptions. With each answer, continue to ask why, delving deeper with every iteration. This process is typically repeated up to 5 times, though sometimes fewer or more repetitions may be necessary depending on the complexity of the issue. The goal is to reach a point where the answer exposes a root cause that cannot be broken down further. Once the underlying cause is identified, focus on developing corrective actions that resolve this core issue, rather than just alleviating its symptoms. Implement these solutions to ensure the problem does not recur. It's also important to document the entire 5 Whys process, including each question and answer, and share your findings with all relevant stakeholders. This transparency helps prevent similar problems in the future. For example, if the problem is that a project was delayed, you might ask, why? Because the team missed a critical deadline. Why? Because the required data wasn't available on time. Why? Because the data collection process started late. Why? Because the team didn't know when to begin collecting data. Why? Because the project timeline wasn't clearly communicated. By following this structured approach, the 5 Whys technique enables you to pinpoint the true cause of an issue and implement solutions that drive lasting improvement.